challenge problem. It's at the bottom of one of your note pages. This goes along with lesson 6.5 point slope form. Okay, we want to write an equation in slope-intercept form, and I underlined that to remember that, to satisfy the following situation. A line that contains the point -3,5 and has the same y-intercept as this line. This line is given to us in point slope form. To figure out what the y-intercept is, somebody said we need to transform this into slope-intercept form. Who can tell me what we would do first to transform this? Justin? Yeah, so y minus 2 equals -2x minus 2. Transform that into slope-intercept by doing what? Add 2. Oh, I don't like this. Y equals -2x. Not involved. What is the y-intercept here? I'm going to actually change this problem. That's how much I'm not in love with it. Because it's not going to make the point that we want it to make. Make this a 2. Make that original problem a 2. That's going to make this a -4. And then when I add 2, that's going to make that a -2. Okay? What? They told us that it has the same y-intercept as this line. What is the y-intercept of this line? Now, we've got a point and a y-intercept. We have point intercept form. Now we've got point slope, or we've got slope intercept. What is common in point slope and slope intercept? We need to have a slope. In order to write an equation of a line, you have to have a slope. Well, this is the nuance of this problem. Isn't that y-intercept in reality the point 0, -2? Because doesn't every y-intercept in the world have an x-coordinate that is 0? Now, what do I have to write the equation of my line? I've got 2 points. Again, is there a point-point form? No. So what do I need to do with my 2 points? I need to find the slope. So my slope, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I'm going to call this first one x sub 1 and y sub 1, x sub 2 and y sub 2. So it'll be what? -2 minus 5 over 0 minus -3. I'll have -7 over 3. So -7/3 is my slope. We want an equation in slope intercept form. What is it going to be? Who can give me the equation in slope intercept form of the line that goes through this point and shares a y-intercept with that point? Justin, you're missing something. Oh, you're missing something. Y equals -7/3 x minus 2. Because we just found the slope to be -7/3. Now, the nice thing was Justin and Mary Catherine both realized that since we were going to slope-intercept form, we found the slope. Why not go straight to slope-intercept form because we know the intercept? I think a lot of people would have put this in point-slope form and then had to transform it, but you would get the same thing, trust me. me pause